Welcome to everyone. Let's play a quiz where we are having only two options. You have to answer it's whether true or false. Okay. You have only 5 seconds to answer each question. So you can write in comment box as a Q1 is T, that is for the true, or Q1 is F, that is for the false. Let's begin the quiz. The first question on your screen. Let's begin. Question number 1. Quickly is an adjective. It's true or false? You have only 5 seconds to answer. Comment your answer below. Question number 2. Gone is an past participle. Whether it's true or false. You have to comment your answer. You have only 5 seconds. Question number 3. She is a pronoun. True or false? Just comment your answer. Question number 4. Funny is an adjective. True or false? You have only 5 seconds to answer it. Just comment below. Question number 5. Sometime is a noun. True or false? You have only 5 seconds to answer. Comment your answer whether it is T or F. Question number 6. The is an indefinite article. Whether it's true or false? Comment your answer. 5 seconds start right now. Question number 7. But is a conjunction. True or false? Just comment your answer. 5 seconds start right now. Question number 8. Friendly is an adjective. True or false? Comment your answer. 5 seconds start right now. Question number 9. Before is a preposition. Whether it's true or false? Comment your answer. So last question. Question number 10. Of is a conjunction. It's true or false? You are having 5 seconds. Start right now. So here is the answer key of each question. Just check whether it's true or false, which is matching with your answer. I hope that you're having the fun with this quiz. Thanks for watching this quiz video, and please like and subscribe for the more quiz. We'll update soon.